when I used to have like blonde hair? Remember? Girl. Alright. Hello there, INFOrmed Beauties. Back with another video. And today's video is going to be all about my natural hair. I'm going to share with you guys the products that I have been using for straightening my natural hair. I have been wearing my hair straight for probably about a month. Almost about a month, most of September. Usually I don't wear my hair straight at all, but I just want to try something different. I wanted a sleeker ponytail, a sleeker look, so I decided to go ahead and to straighten it. And with that comes a little bit of a different maintenance for my hair versus like my curly hair. I know it's been a minute since I talked about my natural hair, since I did any like hair tutorials. Y'all remember I used to do like hair tutorials back in the day? I used to do hair tutorials, twist styles, product reviews, all that. If you are interested in more hair tutorials or hair content, let me know down below and I will just squeeze in a video or two of some hair content. When I say straighten it, it's not no press, okay? Because I'm trying to not put too much heat on my hair, but it's just straightened from like my natural color texture. I'll put video, I will put pictures here on what my texture looks like, so if you're not familiar you can get a feel of what my texture is like versus what it looks like here. So this is my hair. It's about like a week now or so. It's pretty much like oily. It needs to be washed and redone, all of that. You guys remember when I used to have like blonde hair? Remember? Girl. So first we're going to start with the shampoo. So when I am straightening my hair, I automatically know that it damages your curl a little bit. It changes and alters your curl pattern. So I want to protect my curls as much as possible because I don't want to do too much damage to them. So I did pick up a shampoo and conditioner that were about strengthening and keeping my curls intact. So this is the My Moisture Strength and Length Castor and Neem Oil. It is for damaged and transitioning curls. It strengthens, hydrates, and renews. And I love My Moisture. If you've been rocking with me for a minute, you guys know, and I'm gonna talk about a product here, that I have been using the My Moisture conditioner, and I did a whole video. I raved on it. Even to this day, I still grab for My Moisture because they are a great, inexpensive like product. Not only that, they're sulfate free, they're mineral oil free, they're paraben free, they're gluten free, they're SLS free. They don't have any sulfated surfactants in them, no synthetic dyes, they're vegan, all that good stuff. So I do shampoo my hair with this once a week. I shampoo twice, and then I go ahead and I follow up with the same My Moisture castor and neem oil conditioner. All right, and so same thing, after I shampoo my hair, I put this in my hair for about 5 minutes. Usually I do my whole shampoo routine or my whole hair routine in the shower while I'm also doing like my shaving and my body exfoliator, because I'm going to be in the shower for some time, so why not make it a party, right? So I do put this in my hair for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it. After I rinse it, oh, by the way, if you want to know what tools I use, wide tooth comb is my best friend. Okay, so I use this to detangle or to comb through my conditioner, comb through and tangle my hair. These conditioners are a 5-minute conditioner. These are not like a 30-minute conditioner. These are just for a quick shot of something for the hair. So these you will leave in about 5 or 10 minutes. This one says 3 to 5 minutes, and then you will rinse out. After I do that, if you guys hear banging, I think they're fixing something in the apartment complex, so don't mind it. After I do that, I then apply a deep conditioner. So this is the My Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry damaged hair. And I do use things for dry damaged hair because I want to always like renew my curls, renew my hair, give my hair some repair after I've been putting like heat on it. So I definitely like to use this and follow up with this. And this I will put all throughout my hair in shower. And it says leave in for about 5 minutes. But you guys, I leave this in for like probably 10 to 15 minutes while I do everything else. I really want it to saturate in there. The steam really helps in the shower to also like help it penetrate the hair and everything. So I definitely follow up with this, and then once that is done, I rinse it out of my hair, and then usually I would just take my hair, squeeze it out, put it into a clip, and then I would take a t-shirt, a regular t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, place it over my head and let my hair semi-dry. is that I would spray my hair thoroughly with a heat protectant. Now, this is one of my favorite heat protectants. This is the Hask Curl Care. This is a 5-in-1 leave-in. So I really wanted something when I was looking for heat protectants. I wanted something that was very nourishing, and this is just it. This is not only a heat protectant, but this also, it detangles and prevents damage. It has up to 24 hours of frizz control. It seals in moisture. Its thermal protection soothes and adds shine. It's formulated with miracle blend of coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E to nourish and protect curls. When I tell you, when I spray this in my hair is so moisturized. I don't need any other moisture. Like, this does it for me. So I would spray this throughout each section of my hair as I am going through and I begin to straighten. Now, when I straighten my hair, I used to use the blow dryer method. I no longer do that. I no longer grab for a blow dryer. I use this Duval straightening brush first. Now, I did a full review on this. I got this product like years ago. I want to say probably like 3-4 years ago, and you guys know I don't straighten my hair as much, so it kind of just sat in my closet. But I was like, you know what, I don't want to have to go through the whole holding the hair, blow drying the hair. I didn't want to do all that, so I was like, let me try this out, and this works amazing. I use it on the highest setting, which is 410, and I go through each section and I just pass it through, and it gives like a blow dry effect, a blow dry look. So throughout each section I spray this, and then I use this to blow dry my hair, okay, instead of using an actual blow dryer. And I do have a whole blow dryer. It's an amazing blow dryer, but this is just more convenient. So after I completely like use the heated brush on my entire head, that's when I would go in and I would flat iron. So I have 2 different flat irons. Let me tell you, this one right here, okay, so I used to work at Macy's. That's when I bought this one years ago. I used to work at Macy's. That was like 7-8 years ago, and this bad boy still works. When I'm telling you, 1 or 2 passes is all I need with this. It gets my hair straight. Now, I don't get my roots touched, of course, because I don't have an actual pressing comb, but that doesn't bother me. I'm not concerned. This does the job. It's close enough. It's pretty thin. I have a wider Conair flat iron. Now, the thing about this one is that usually if I'm in a more of a rush, you know, like I really just want to get my hair done, I will go for a bigger one so I can grab kind of like bigger sections and get it done. But this one gets a lot more hotter than this one to me. I don't know. I think they go up to the same. They go up to the same temperature of 30, but I just feel like this one has more heat. Let's talk about maintaining or maintenance throughout the week. So throughout the week, for me, less is more, because you don't want your hair to be weighed down. And as you can probably see, my hair is already weighed down. It doesn't have the same flow that it had from when I first did it, and that is because I've been putting like oils in my hair. So 3 days like into my hair being straight, I will apply an oil to my scalp. So I would either use Aunt Jackie's Nourish My Hair Flaxseed and Manoi, this one, or I would use the Frizz Rebel Coconut. And let me tell you guys something about these oils. I found these bad boys in Ross for like $5 a piece. If you ain't never tried Aunt Jackie's hair oils, these right here, let me tell you something. Bomb. It's just the texture on these are really thick. A little bit of it goes a long way. And when I tell you that these are nourishing oils, they are nourishing oils, okay? So throughout the week of my hair being done, at night specifically, I would choose an oil and I would apply a little bit. A little is all you need to my scalp area, massage it in. So those are all the products that I have been loving to use for my natural straight hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.